I was sent this 25-pound seed spreader and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video, so here it goes. This seed spreader is meant to be worn on your left side. It's got some ergonomic design here that makes it sit just right there on your left hip. So you got to be turning the crank with your right hand and spreading your seed or fertilizer or whatever it is that you need to put down. They don't recommend that you use it for soil or for sand or any lime-based product, but anything that's granular or seed-based, it's going to be able to fly through this thing no problem. You can hold 25 pounds of material here at any given time, and you've got adjustments here that go from 1 to 6 that you can just make on the fly while you're adjusting it and using it to get to the right level of dispersion that you really want. So you're just going to have it sitting here on your hip, load it up with your seed, and then turn the handle like this. And it's going to throw that out and spread it in an even pattern as you're walking around on your property. So I'm going to load this up with some granular fertilizer and see how it works. Spreads nice and even. It's really easy to adjust with your left hand. I'm just adjusting the rate. And with my right hand, just turning the spinner as gently as I need to or as fast as I'd like. Here's a look at the spinner in slow motion. And this is definitely going to help to get seeds and fertilizer right in the spot where I want it to get. So there you go. I hope this was helpful to learn a little bit more about this 25-pound bag seed spreader and granular fertilizer spreader. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.